Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, Conan Gray, and this is the best song of his recent releases, I believe, in my opinion. It's called Door. Love this song. Before we go into that, again, I want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. It's a newborn Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. That's the name of it. Go and check that one out. There, I'm going to teach you how to play a full song from beginning till the end, with chords shown, just to follow along with my playthrough there. So Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago, go and support me there as well. Now let's look into the Door. Cape on third, absolute best scenario for us. With that, we have 7 chords, so let's go through the chords that we usually do. Gonna start with G. So third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Next is E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. We have the C as well. Third A, second D, open G, first B, open E. A minor. Open A, second D, second G, first B, open E. Then we have the D sus4/F sharp. A long name there. So second A, E. Open A, open D, second G, third B, and third E. Then we have the D, open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally we have the B7, and I choose to go with this non-bar version. So that goes second A, first G, second G, open B, and second E. That is played in the bridge part later on. We're going to come to that now. First, the strumming. How do we handle these chords? Grab the first chord, G. That's how the song starts. And you're going to play the strumming pattern that goes like this. So one down, a short pause, and then up, down, up. So down, up, down, up. A couple of bounces to get the feeling for it. It goes like this. Alright, so first verse, you're going to play G, 4 strumming rounds, E minor, 4, C, 2, A minor, 2, and G4. Notice we start and end with G4. So it ends with G4, then you start all over again the second round with G4. And by the way, you're going to play it for 2 full rounds. One round goes like this. 3, 4, and E minor. C, 2, A minor, 2, and G, 2, 3, and 4, and second round, G again. That's the verse play. Then chorus starts at about 51 seconds in. I just need, that's where you're on the lyrics. You're going to play E minor, 2, C2, G2, and DF2. And you're going to play that for 2 rounds, and then you're going to finish off with the third round, C2, A minor 2, and E minor 4. I'm going to play round number 2 and round number 3 for you. It goes like this. E minor, 2, C, 2, G, 2, DF, 2, C, 2, A minor, 2, E minor, 2, 3, 4. That is the first round, guys. Second round is just repetition. You're going to play verse play and chorus play in the exact same way. After that second chorus comes the bridge part, 2 and 49, I believe, seconds in. What you're going to play now is one round of the following chords. A minor 4, E minor 4, back to A minor 4, C2, D1, B7, 1. Goes like this. A minor, 3, 4, E minor, 3, 4, A minor, 3, 4, C, 2, D, B7. And then you're going to go back to the third chorus, play that in the same way as the previous choruses exception for that is you're gonna play that C, A minor, and E minor, not for only one round, but for 2 rounds in this final chorus. And that, my friends, is how you end Conan Gray's Door. Lovely song, just love that. So yeah, a nice song to try. Pretty straightforward when it comes to the strumming and so on. You're gonna play nice and easy with these chords. So once you handle the chords, it's just straightforward. Again, I want to highlight my second YouTube channel, Conan Guitar, 6 strings ago. Go and check that one out as soon as you learn this song. Hope to see you soon, guys. Play tuned.